on the periodic table then. If it has a plus or a minus, it's not on the periodic table. Everything on the periodic table is 3 more house points.
Let's go.
Hey.
All right.
Where?
One left.
So imagine I'm getting 9 house points now. That's
And so, now that we know that about the pluses and minuses, acids and bases, they're like many things in science, and especially in chemistry. It's not necessarily black and white all the time, okay? But we'll learn the simple, straightforward ideas, and then as you take higher level chemistry classes, they'll layer in some more complex ideas, okay? So the simplest acid and base idea is this one. There are other acids and bases, okay? But the simplest definition is any substance that is going to donate a hydrogen plus, H plus. That's a hydrogen ion, okay? If it's got a plus or a minus, it's an ion. And what happens is when you put chemicals into water, if they happen to have hydrogen, oftentimes that hydrogen will just float off by itself. It will leave whatever substance it was with, and it will just go off into the water by itself, okay? And then it's gonna be an acid. So that's what many acids are. You put something in the water and the H leaves the rest of the family, float around by themselves, and create this acid, okay? So these H pluses floating around, that's an acid. And hydrogen, which is the first atom on the periodic table, has how many protons?
1.
Oh, 3 house points. What house color are you? Oh,
Yes,
minus
yes. Yeah, that's racist. No, it's not racist. No, it's
1.
trying to.
So, if it has 1 proton, how many electrons does it have? Who said that?
Me.
Yeah. Okay, 3 house points, yes. What house color are you?
Bro, is no one green?
Okay.
Me.
Oh yeah, it was Artea.
All the time.
So it also has 1 electron. And so if you take away that 1 electron, you start out with 1 proton, 1 electron, okay? And oftentimes, no neutron in hydrogen. Sometimes it doesn't have any neutron. So if you take away the electron, all that's left is a proton. So essentially, oftentimes, this is just a proton. And so that's why it talks about donating a proton.
Wait, doesn't donating mean give without getting anything else? So you can't like donate for money, you know? Because
Yes, you can.
You know,
Yes, you can.
like you donate money, you don't get any money back.
I donated stuff and I got money.
That's very racist. We need to just sold stuff.
Yeah, pretty much.
We'll draw some.
For very cheap. For like extremely cheap.
365, 24/7.
Mission GK, can you move? Sir.
Okay.
No, Lord Sir. Lord Sir.
Mr. Lord, sir.
So what? I'll give it to you by the end of the
Bro, it's like 18 bucks. My mom doesn't let me play those games except for actually she let me play a lot of them, but not Assassin's Creed.
Why not?
But I never asked her about Assassin's Creed. I don't want to play Ubisoft.
I'll give it to you at the end of
They
the
don't make good games, they just make lots of them. I get it. Some of them are good. I tried it. I just don't like it.
Yo! Okay, so we've got I simplified our acid definition a little more. okay, just gives away this H plus. A base, oh wait, acid, can you think of any daily acids that you may know?
Citrus.
Lemon.
Amino acid, well, they're in you.
Lemon.
It's citrus.
It's citrus.
Citrus.
Citrus. Do I not get 3 house
I
points for
said
that?
citrus, my
I
God.
said lemon.
I said
Do we not get 3 house points for that?
citrus.
3 house points, citrus.
Yellow.
That's unfair. Bias.
I'm biased. It's
I said you smoking,
Now,
bro.
a base is a substance that can neutralize the acid by reacting with it. And most bases are like minerals that react with the acid to form water and salts, okay? And bases oftentimes include this OH, okay, an oxide. This is called an oxide, the O and the H together, and it's got a negative with it. So the negative goes pretty good with the positive, right? They're gonna be attracted to each other. And so what happens if I put an H, with an HO? What are we gonna get?
no.
That's where the house went. Yeah.
Oh, 2HO.
H2O. So you put an acid and a base together, and we say they're neutralized. Well, isn't water a non-corrosive thing, right? It's neutral. It's pretty
So
neutral.
if you mix, I think lemon and vinegar and water.
Lemon and milk or something basic. Bases feel can and like soap is basic, like soap that you put on your hands, it's kind of thick and a little slimy. That's like a baseless feel.
Well, the lemon and milk make it.
Exactly.
Neutralized.
Still balanced. It's a lot of 32 gigabytes.
Oh, Mr. GK,
When
are we gonna do like the things that we did last day on the computer, where you would like do a bunch of questions and then you would like put your name on like I completed this. Yeah.
my guy, what?
Okay. Yeah, I like it.
Now that we know
What the fuck?
about acids and bases, I need to answer.
G2O. And then G2O is 65 of 512. Then my monitor there's no brand. Different parts from different people, and then no.
It's called a story.
Bro, are you listening to this?
You know, like
It's called putting that potion in someone's eyes. It's a drug.
Their ass is drugging people to make people like them.
no, that's it doesn't have a screen. So please say
No, no, no. No, it's not keep talking until you're good and done. Okay. Well, I'm done with that, so I'm going to start my ninja list here, starting now. And so these are the reactants in the reaction you're gonna do today for bath bombs. And so here I've got NaHCO, and here I've got CHO7. And so they're going to release some hydrogen ions and some OH ions, okay? And the first one is the acid, and the second one is the base. they're in the reactant side, okay? And what will they create? Then they're gonna create these products, okay? So you would be able to fill that in. And then you need to, well, we're gonna take a look at this part together, okay? Bath bombs are made by mixing an acid and an alkali. Another name for basing alkali. Learn how to make your own bath bomb and why they'll react when dropped into water. Well, we know that they'll react together to neutralize each other. Okay? Background, why would you buy expensive bath bombs when you can make your own? Bath bombs become fizzy, you put them in the water, due to the chemical reaction between these ingredients. This can make your bath relaxing, bubbly, invigorating, and amazing.
Bro, you're my only streamer. Where is
Pen spinning tutorials.
All bath bombs. Oh, listen, just me talking. All bath bombs, require these ingredients. And that is baking soda, citric acid, okay, baking soda, sodium bicarbonate, and it shows what it is there. Is a weak base, and the citric
we went
acid
inside, bro?
is a weak acid. When these two ingredients are mixed together with water, they will react and produce carbon dioxide gas. This gas is what makes the bubbles fizz. Reactions given. Another key ingredient is cornstarch. This is a dry ingredient that gets mixed in. And must be used.
do.
Let's see, the amount you use may affect the reaction rate when dropped into the water. Another variable that may impact the reaction rate is the temperature of the water. How do you think the temperature of the water can increase or decrease the reaction rate? And reaction rate for chemical reactions is a measurement of how quickly the reaction happens. Okay. So, we've got some pre-lab questions. So you will need to fill in the pre-lab questions. You can work together as a table group, but you've got to find, when you're finding your definitions, you've got to find chemistry definitions, okay? When you say balanced in chemistry, you're talking about a balanced equation, chemical reaction equation. If you just get Google balance on the internet, it's gonna talk about gymnastics or something, right? So you have to be wise enough to find a chemistry definition. So you can't just write down some words that you don't understand and say, well, that's maybe it, okay? If you try to do that, you'll never get to the bath bomb lab today because you've got to sign off your answers with me before you can go over there and do your bath bombing. Okay? Question.
Let's go. Okay, guys. Aria. I'll make a copy and share it with everyone. Okay. I made a copy. I'm sharing it to
I'm
everyone.
giving myself a bigger afro. You want to kiss my ear. Bro,
What? Oh, it's out? Oh, I'm checking that right now. What did you get?
I don't know. I'm also checking. We use photos and commented online. That's what.
I got a 6.
Yo, wait.
I got a 6. I'll take it. I'll take it.
No. Where's the chat?
I have no clue. What do you mean?
The screen chat.
What do you? Oh, yes. Here. Oh,
On the verge of death. Yeah, my PC costs more than your laptop. Plus, I have like a $500 monitor and like my entire setup costs like.
Go Arya. Do some work.
No, I said 2.5.
How much?
Wait,
Oh no, his ass is gonna beat me. His ass is gonna beat me.
Sorry, I got you.
No, stop. I'm actually gonna get. Oh fuck!
I could have saved you. You know my.
That wouldn't have done shit.
So like, if I saved you, it wouldn't have helped.
No,
No, it wouldn't. Or like, no, it wouldn't.
it wouldn't have.
Why not? Are you being racially inclusive? I mean, not racially inclusive. That was funny.
Okay, I'm just gonna defend. Yeah, 6 and a 6. I got 6.
It's for different criteria.
I gotta. The rest are formatives, my guy.
Oh, we haven't even started our music summit. What are we on? Crack. What cars? Don't assume my gender.
Guys, come left side.
Why?
I need to climb.
No, you just go there. We'll stay
No,
here.
it's better.
Why?
Better gaming.
Oh, you can see the computer easier here.
Well, yeah, but
I literally need the charger. It's not even charging it. What the freak? Oh my god.
What the freak?
it was literally charging.
Yeah.
What the freak, guys? Ain't no way this kid is still alive, bro.
Did you know that even though I've met Lucas, I have known Lucas for a year now, and I've known Connor for 2 years, neither of them have ever come to my house.
Why?
I've never been to their house. The only time I've seen them out of school is at Charlie's house.
Oh, really? No,
Yeah.
what? I've heard you about talking about sleepovers. Yeah, I have.
You can ask them. I've never seen them outside school.
Okay, then I'm coming to your house one day.
No, probably not.
Why?
Because you're just Indian.
You invited me to your house, bro. But we said no and we went to Arya's instead.
Arias.
Yeah,
Charlie.
we went to Arya's house.
When?
You don't remember?
I wasn't there.
Yeah.
Yeah, I wasn't there.
That's why we said, yeah, you weren't there.
Yeah. Wait.
Which
Who is
Arya?
we?
Which Arya? Me Arya?
You
Oh,
are.
this Arya. I thought you were talking about the other Arya.
No, bro, I don't even like the other Arya.
Oh.
I'm just gonna spam
I
up
literally
with
watched
these.
this time with the other Arya.
Oh yeah. Bro, not this freaking bozo kid
And then he
again.
came into the bathroom while I was.
What a dumbass, bro.
Like, bro just went straight all in.
I actually need to research.
Bro, they give it. He didn't lock the door behind him or nothing.
Bro, he didn't lock the door. And I was like in there. So like, even if he didn't lock it, I would have been locked in there with him.
Yeah, that would be even worse, bro. You just run out and then you just go and sit on his lap. I would have gone to sit on his lap. Why? I have no clue. It just seems like a fun thing to do.
Bro, his cut though is so like the way his hair looked,
Bro,
which is an
which
asset.
guy are you? The guy wearing the green?
The black dude.
Nice way to put it.
The guy with the green.
You just said the black. Yeah.
What? I am the black dude.
That's not how you say it.
Bro, that-
Yes, it is. Huh?
Okie main Moroccan Canadian internet personality.
The frick?
Let's go there.
Alright. Oh, I need a like.
You need a what?
I need a charger. Yeah.
Come for a lunch detention. You're never doing that again in this class. And you're not charging anyone in this class. Exactly. So you need to make good decisions because otherwise it limits your options. You're no longer allowed to charge in this class. So you will have to do your work outside of this class if your computer fails. Meanwhile, the three of you are going to line up there so your computers are facing me so that I can see them. And you won't play video games in this class anymore. Clear? Oh.
You just play games too, bro. Where
Bro,
the
why? What do you mean
I
why?
can't charge it anymore. My laptop's gonna die now.
Did we get detention? Did we get detention? Bro.
Honey, that's gonna turn the stream off because they're gonna tell on me for sure.
Huh?
Hey, you need to experience it.
I've literally never gotten into that.
I have to make them experience it. That's why I did it. Okay, just hide it.
Bro, you were the only one.
I'm so sorry. Wait, can you hide my computer so I can turn off the stream?
No,
Why?
because you just made me get detention.
Just hide it. Okay?
Just press X.
No. End it.